Before this video starts, just grab a pen and paper and we will follow exact steps to change your current reality into your desired reality. And let's get started. So the question is, how can someone change their family or their age or the people they are surrounded with? It's not possible, right? So in this video we are going to cover all these topics. How can you change your reality? How can you go into your desired reality without changing your current reality, without changing your surroundings, without changing the people you meet, without changing the job, without changing anything? You just need to change your desires. So let's get into it. In multiverse reality, everything is possible. There are many versions of you that already exist. Every possibility exists. Shifting doesn't change your current reality. You are just aligning with the reality that already exists in another universe. So okay, if I am already living in this reality, how do I connect with desired reality that exists in another world? So let's understand the basics first, then we can follow the exact steps that will help us to move into the different reality. When you align with your desired reality in your mind by visualizing, scripting, or embodying it in your body, you start to feel, think, and act like the person in your desired reality. This changes your frequency. Your energy feels different, your current habits changes, your decision making power changes, everything shifts. Over time, you start behaving like the person in your desired reality as if it already exists. So the first thing we want to do is scripting or defining the desired reality we want. Write down who you are in your desired reality, your appearance, your career, your habit, your relationship with others, exact personality you want to achieve. Be specific about it so that you can act on it later. So for example, I will write, in my desired reality, I am a healthy and confident person. I have a successful career. Say you want to achieve a weight goal, then you can write down exact weight you want to achieve. Just the rule is be specific. Our second step is identifying the gap. So write down these questions I am going to tell you. You can answer it after the video ends, or you can pause the video and answer them and then continue the video. So question 1 is, what does my desired reality do that I don't do in this current reality? Question 2 is, how does my desired reality self think versus how do I think now? Question 3 is, what beliefs does my desired reality self hold? Answering these 3 questions will give you exact roadmap of changes that you want to achieve in your current reality. Step 3 is, embody the desired reality in your day-to-day life. Every day, start living as if you are already that version. Walk, speak, or dress like your desired self. So let's say you want to take a important decision. So just ask yourself, what would my desired reality self will do in this situation? Your day-to-day affirmation should not be I want this, I want that. Your day-to-day affirmation should be I am this, I am that, and then it will follow along. Step 4 is, bring small DR habits into your current reality. If your DR self meditates daily, start meditating here. If your DR self eats particular food, start introducing that food here. If your DR self is confident, start being confident here in small groups, or start speaking even though nobody is giving you the chance to speak. Still speak. Just bring that energy into your CR. Step 5, align emotionally. Imagine a scene from your desired reality every night before sleeping. So for example, you are waking up in your desired reality bed, or you are talking with your desired reality friends. Step 6 is, keep tracking your shifts. Keep a journal of small changes. Keep writing the small changes that happen in your current reality which are from your desired reality. For example, new people that are adding in your life, or new opportunities that are coming which you had dream of in your desired reality. Keeping track will help you for your inner growth. And keep celebrating every small changes that happen in your current reality which are from your desired reality. It will strengthen your alignment. Step 7 is, stabilize with your beliefs. So whenever doubt comes in your life, just remind yourself that my desired reality exists, and by aligning with it, I let it show in my current reality. Practice the law of assumption. Assume that it's already done, even though your current reality hasn't already caught up. Remember to visualize one scene from your desired reality every night before sleeping. That's it. That's the practice you want to do. Reality shifting is not about running away from your life. It's about realizing you are not limited to the version of yourself that you have been living till now. Your desired reality that you are creating is not a fantasy. It's the blueprint of who you meant to become. And the moment you start living like that version, this reality start catching up. So that's it for today's video. Tell me in the comments what your desired reality looks like. Bye.